Hello friends, welcome to It's About Everything. Now if you have seen my previous video, you already know the tragedy that happened with me with my Lava Z60 smartphone, and I have taken this phone to the Lava service station and they have actually fixed it with minimal component. You can see the microphone and the RF cable are the two small components, and the larger component is the touch display, which is including with the aluminum chassis where all the other components gets fitted. So you can see this is the touch display with the aluminum chassis. Now they only charged me about 2390 rupees, which is not much compared to the price of the phone. The phone cost me about 5600 something, as this is a budget smartphone, so the repairing charge is also small. But I'm very much impressed with this phone because as you've seen, you can see this is the repaired phone, which still works very nicely, and I've recovered all the data. Now what the phone has been through, I can say it's a miracle that the phone is repaired, and Lava has done a good job here, because in regular usage, if you drop the phone from your hand, the best thing that can happen is the battery and the cover will pop open, but it won't break. Yes, unless if you hit it with a hammer or you run it down with a motorcycle, like in my case. A motorcycle just went over it, and that's why it was shattered. But the motherboard was okay, so, and all the other small components are also okay. The only component that was damaged was the RF cable and the microphone. And you can see the display is completely replaced. Now the back plastic cover is the original cover that came with the phone. I'll show you in a second. You can see this is where it broke in two pieces, and the back cover also had some crack marks here. You can see this is where the lower part of the back cover was detached. The camera is not focusing. There we go. You can see the small crack here and one on the other side right here. You can see the screw and the crack mark. So the back cover was in two pieces, but it was placed in with screws, and they managed to reuse it. You can see this is the seal. They have pasted a new seal here, and the sticker is also removed from the old chassis and placed it here. You can see the tearing marks on the sticker. So normally when we do mobile phone reviews, we just unbox it and show the features. But when I was using this phone, I was actually sad when it broke in two pieces. But later when I found out that the aluminum chassis, that's the one of the feature, and this phone does not come with Gorilla Glass or something, but the screen is a 2.5D curved glass, and it is scratch resistant, and I have to say the phone is pretty durable compared to its price range. You can see. So I thought that this would be a different kind of unboxing, where you will know what's inside this smartphone and what makes the Z series, Lava Z series smartphone so special. And I think, yes, this phone is really special. The Z series phone is really special because the hidden features that normally we don't see, but it's available inside the phone. such as the aluminum chassis, the scratch resistant glass, and I think there are many more features which I haven't seen yet. Here you can see in the about phone section that there is not much of a big configuration in this phone. It's just 1 GB RAM, and you can see it's the newest operating system, Android. It's Nougat 7 operating system 7.0 Android version. So you can see this is the document given to me from Lava service station. You can see it is written delivered, and you can see the amount that I paid, 2,390 rupees. So this was the document they gave to me. You can see I brought the phone on 12th February 2018 from Lava Service Center. So this was the phone from Lava Care, and if you ask me about the service of Lava, I would say I would give them a 5-star, and I would recommend buying a Lava phone and using it, and if there's a problem they would surely work for you. So this was the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.